Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to link contact form in menu category link. Log into the backend. Go to Items and Categories. Now go to Deutsch tab and type Contact in subcategory. Click on Create subcategory. Changes have been saved successfully. Refresh the page to see the changes. Now go to Content and Forms. Go to Contacts form and click on Edit. Now copy the link of contact form. Go to Items and Categories. Now go to Contact Settings. Scroll down and paste the link to an external site. Click Save. Now go to Configuration and Cache, Performance. Go to Cache tab. Click on Select All and then click on Clear. Now start the process to compile the theme. Go to Shop and reload the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.